Have you ever been in a situation where you couldn't understand or communicate with the people around you? Have you ever had to teach yourself a new language by only reading books? Yuyi Morales and her baby son Kelly had this struggle learning English when they first came to America as immigrants. Morales shares their story in her autobiographical picture book, Dreamers. Dreamers was written in 2018 and is both written and illustrated by Yuyi Morales, who has won 5 Purell Prix medals as an illustrator for her books and received a Caldecott honor for her book, Viva Frida. Yuyi's journey with her son starts in Mexico and ends in San Francisco by way of them traveling through Texas. A beautifully woven story accompanied by stunning illustrations, Dreamers tells the story of how books became Yuyi and Kelly's home and lives as they learned to read, speak, and write in a new language. If I may, I'm going to share some of the illustrations with you. This first spread is when they discover their first library in San Francisco. The next page shows them reading the books and being transported to new worlds. And the final spread shows them getting a library card of their own so that they can come back and select the books that they choose on their own time. I also have with me my own personal journal to serve as a reminder of the power of the written word and how once Yuyi read to learn a new language, she found her voice and began writing her own stories down to make her voice heard. I highly recommend Dreamers in its authentic portrayal of an immigrant's journey in learning to communicate in a new land.